So let's we continue the first chapter. First chapter. First chapter. India size and location. India, it is as the one of the ancient civilizations of the world. All over the world, important civilizations were developed. For example, as the Egyptian civilization. Egyptian civilization developed on a Nile River. Huang Ho civilization in China. Third one is a Mesopotamia civilization, which was the older name of Iran, and the Indian civilization, Indus Valley civilization. So such civilization proved that all these were having as a links with each other and known for their specific qualities and their developments. Yes, Lavina, the longitude which has passes through the central parts of a country has considered as their standard meridian. Yes, standard meridian to setting the watches. To setting the watches. So the Economics chapter 1, the story of village Palampur, it will not comes at the PT1. It will be teach in a PT2. Sarthak Bangotra. This time only two chapters of geography, first and second. First and second chapters of geography only for the PT1. They are only for the PT1. Clear? Sarthak Bangotra. So India, so when we are talking about the different countries of the world or the India, for which we required as a study about the latitudes, a different pattern which has makes by the latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes are those imaginary lines which are drawn on a globe from east to west. From east to west, from east to west, east to west. Those imaginary lines which are drawn on globe from north to south are the longitudes. They are the longitudes. They are the longitudes. Second, latitudes are known as the parallels because they are neither touches each other. They are neither touches each other. These are placed at the different as per parallels, as per parallel to the each other, as to parallel to the each other. They are never touches each other. But the longitudes are the meridians which are touches each other at the North Pole and the South Pole. North Pole and South Pole. Latitudes are helpful to study about the heat zones of the earth. Heat zones of the earth. Heat zones of the earth. There are the important 5 heat zones are there. Equator, then there will be as a 23.5 degree south, 23.5 degree north, then 66.5 degree north, which is known as Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree south Antarctic Circle. Clear? So these are the important latitudes. 23.5 degree north as a Cancer, 0 degree equator, 23.5 degree south as the Capricorn. So these 5 latitudes, important latitudes, has divides the world into the 3 heat zones. Torrid zone lies in between of a tropics. Tropic to temperate are the temperate zone. They are the temperate zone, and afterwards a frigid zone. Afterwards the frigid zone. So these are the important latitudes and their role to study the globe in reality, these are neither lies on a earth. For our convenience, we are making on a globe. We are making on a globe. Clear? In the other side, longitudes are touches at the North Pole and the South Pole. North Pole and South Pole, which are helpful for the study about the time. Study about the time. Total latitudes are 180, but sometimes somebody, they are called as a day as a 181. If you start so counting latitudes from the South Pole or either North Pole, then it will be as a 181, because equator, it will be as a count in both the hemisphere, in the above northern and the southern. But in the other side, the longitudes are total in a 360, 180 in a right side, and a 180 in a left side. 180 in a left side. Next one, the pattern makes by the latitudes and the longitudes. The pattern makes by the latitudes and the longitudes is known as the this is known as the grid. This is the grid. The pattern makes by the latitudes and the longitudes is known as the grid. This is as the grid. Grids are helpful for finding the locations of the country. Locations of the country, which are generally used by the aeronautics. Used in aeronautics. So combined implications, latitudes, longitudes, helpful for find out location of a countries, and latitudes and longitudes as collectively helpful for checking the time zones or time calculation in all over the world. Time calculation in all over the world. Time calculation in all over the world. So now, location. India is the 7th largest country of the world. 7th largest country of the world. Yes, Ashmit.
सर एक बार टाइम कैलकुलेशन के सर क्वेश्चंस करा दोगे?
आगे करते हैं. Because 2 chapters are there, we will do in the next 3 days also. So the India is the 7th largest country of the world, which lies in the northern hemisphere. It extends their southern boundary. It has makes by the 8 degree 4 minute north latitude to the 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. Its westernmost longitude is the 68 degree 7 minute east to the 97 degree 25 minute east. The Tropic of Cancer divides India and it influencing the climate of India. India's climate is a tropical as well as a subtropical. Tropical, the areas lies in the south of a Tropic of Cancer are the tropical areas, and the areas which are lies in above of north of a Tropic of Cancer are the subtropical areas. India's climate, it is also known as a monsoonal climate. This is also known as a monsoonal because monsoons makes as a variation in a seasons. So 4 seasons which are the generally experienced in India: winter, summer, autumn, and monsoons, rainy season. So monsoons are makes the disruption gap between the winters and the summers. So that's why the Indian climate is a monsoonal also. To the south, east and the southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands, the 2 group of the islands which are also included under the territories of India. Both are lies in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. As we discussed, the Indira Point is submerged under the water. Indira Point has submerged under the water. Indira Point has submerged under the water. Submerged under the water. Next size. India's total landmass is a 3.28 million square kilometer. 32 lakh square kilometer is the total area which has covered a 2.4 percentage of a geographical area of India. 2.4 percentage of a geographical area of India. Its total land frontier is a 15,200 and the coastline as 7516.6 kilometers long. And India having the total number of administrative units 28 states. This is as the modification has done by the CBSE. 28 states and 9 union territories has marked now. The books which you are having as this is as an older edition. Either you purchase as a newer, but this is as an older edition. In such books, this is as the stock or the changes, though that agency has not made changes. But CBSE has published their newer book, which changed in a 2000 for the 2021 and 22 session, in which 28 states and 9 union territories are marked. So you have to follow as such same. You have to follow the same. India having as a natural frontiers from all the sides, north, south, east, west. From the north, the great Himalayas are there with protecting India from the very long historical background from the invaders, which restricted the Mongols to enter in India, but mostly the other dynasties, other rulers, they came to India from the northwestern frontier. By crossing the Thar Desert. Thar Desert also protects India. In the eastern stretch of Himalayas, and a rugged mountain terrain, undulating surfaces of the Himalayas are not favoring the foreigners to enter in India. From the south and the southeastern, southwestern parts, long water body extends. Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. They provide as the natural frontier to India, which help India to be as isolated from the rest of the world. The latitudinal and the longitudinal extent, their total difference as a 30 degree. This is as the reason responsible for the local time differences from the Arunachal Pradesh towards Saurashtra, Gujarat. Because our latitudinal difference is there as the 30 degree. 30 degree lies in a east to west, and the latitudinal difference is also as a 30 degree as a north to south. 8 degree 4 minute to 37 degree approximately as a 30 degree latitudinal difference as also lies in India. From Gujarat to, this we discussed, Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time difference of the 2 hours, local time difference. This is as a local time, not as a standard time. Standard time remains same in all over the country, but the local time has varied from the state to state in a different states because of the sun rays takes as a 4 minutes to complete distance of a 4 minutes. So longitudinal difference between these two places, Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh, as a 30 degrees, which makes as the 2 hours of a time lag in between of these two places. But same as south to north, when we are moving, there will be as a duration of a day also influence. Duration of day influence. In a north of the Tropic of Cancer, days are the shorter comparatively the south of the Tropic of Cancer. South of the Tropic of Cancer. South of the Tropic of Cancer. Sun rises earlier from the east. Arunachal Pradesh located at the east, Gujarat at the west. So Arunachal Pradesh experienced the morning at the earlier comparatively the Gujarat. But due to the longitudinal difference, 30 degrees of a longitudinal difference in between of Arunachal Pradesh, Gujarat makes the 2 hours of a time lag in between of Arunachal to the Gujarat. Arunachal Pradesh to the Gujarat. 30 degrees of a longitudinal difference multiply 4, 120 minutes, 2 hours of a lag behind. If the morning has occurred in Arunachal Pradesh at the 6 a.m., then the 8 a.m. they will be as the sun rises in Gujarat. due to the longitudinal differences and the spherical curvature of the Earth. Earth is a spherical in shape. Earth having as the spherical in shape, it has makes as a such differences. That sun which has rises at the east, it takes as a 2 hours to reaching at the level of the west, which has basically responsible for the time lag in these areas. India has better associated with the world for the trade, for basically for the trade. Foreigners which invaded in India, those foreigners which invaded in India in our past, they basically influence our social, political, economic, and religious life. Religious, when the Muslims invaded in India, they introduced as a Islam in our country and changes in our social life through the different newer types of clothes, food items, and the other materials. Suez Canal. Suez Canal is situated in here. Suez Canal. Suez Canal is situated here. This is as the Mediterranean Sea. Here is a, wait a minute. A Red Sea. Here is a Red Sea. In between of these two. In between of these two is a situation of a Suez Canal. This is as the Suez Canal in Egypt, which interlinks these two, Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea. Earlier, Vasco da Gama started their voyages by go across a complete of Africa, finally reach in 1498 at Calicut. But with construction of a Suez Canal, with construction of the Suez Canal, with construction of a Suez Canal, now people can easily directly move from Mumbai, Arabian Sea, Red Sea, Suez Canal, Mediterranean Sea, and Portugal, which reduce the distance of 7,000 kilometers. 7,000 kilometers. Clear? This is as a significance of a Suez Canal. Another canal as the Panama Canal, which has built in between of a Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, in between of North America and the South America. Colors are visible, Priya? Colors are visible? Okay. In between of Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Earlier, all those were the go across of a South America to reach in a African and Asian countries. But construction of a Panama Canal, easy to access from Australia to Panama Canal and move towards Europe. Either the other way is that they have to go across the complete of Africa, then reach in Europe. So these two artificial canals are the led to the makes world as easier to interconnect with. So for which India has playing as a very important role. India playing as a very important role. India played as an important role for the interlinking these economies, because those countries which interlink with the Europe, either they are coming from the Southeastern Asian countries, this group, or either the Australia, they have to go across the Indian Ocean, where the India having the access, through which they can move towards the European, African, or American countries, through the American countries, for which India has played the important role. India played as an important role in such economies. Clear? Next. So India, their description has given in our old historical texts, even the number of the foreigners which came in our past, they also given as an edict regarding as India. Their description has given in a Vedas, Upanishads, and the stories of a Panchatantra. The term Bharat, it has evolved from the famous epic Abhijan Shakuntalam, in which the ruler Bharat ruled over areas, territories were named later as the India. It was also known as the Sub-Sindhu in our past, which was founded at the banks of Indus and their 5 tributaries and Ganga. 5 tributaries and Ganga. Greeks were called India and the northwestern frontiers. The northwestern parts of India, Punjab as a Pentapotamia, and given the term as a India to the land which developed on a Indus River. Indus to the Indoi or India. These were evolved. India having as a good relations with their neighbors, it tried to develop as a good relations with their neighboring countries since independence to the modern, but due to the border disputes with their 2 of the countries, still problems are arising with China and Pakistan. But India tried to be take as the permanent membership of the UNO, for which it worked for the peaceful conditions in a Southeastern Asian countries. Southeastern Asian countries. It is a part of the SAARC, SAARC. It tried to work for the United Nations and a permanent member, for which it contributing in a developmental processes of Afghanistan and Iraq after the US attacks over it. Clear? And since independence to modern time, not a single time India started as the war with their neighboring countries. Their peaceful conditions and a coexistence policy, it works since independence to the modern in time, which is known as the Panchsheel, which was signed by India with the China. Panchsheel signed by the India with the China. That's it. This was our chapter. Any questions on your side? India having their neighbors, 7 of the neighbors which shares the boundaries with India: Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. 2 of the neighbors are there which do not share the boundary, but they are the neighbors located nearer to India. These are the Maldives and Sri Lanka. Maldives and Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka has it has linked with India with the narrow channel called as this Pak State. Pak State, where the depth of Bay of Bengal is lesser. There is a shallow water body. Pak State. Here. Pak State. Gulf of Khambat here. Cambay. Somebody call as a Cambay. The Western Ghats are stretched from here towards the Kanyakumari, whereas the Eastern Ghats are the stretchable like this. These are the Eastern Ghats. Where both are joined are known as the Nilgiris. These are the Nilgiris. The V which is marked by the Western and the Eastern Ghats are the Nilgiris. Clear? And these Eastern Ghats are bifurcated by the 4 rivers. First, Kaveri. Second, these depressions are easy to learn. Krishna. Third, Godavari. And here is a Mahanadi. That depression. These are the deltas. Cross areas are the deltas. Godavari. Sorry, Mahanadi. Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari, and Mahanadi. Any questions? Sir, I have Australia to Europe, no. In between one of North America, in between of North America to the South America. Caribbean islands, where is in that part as a West Indies, that canal is a Panama Canal, Panama. Panama Canal interlinks the Pacific and the Atlantic Oceans. Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. Pacific and Atlantic. Any other? Anybody else? So this much for today. Thank you.